Okay. All right, what's up? Move this down. All right, so USDCAD did hit. When was it? It was Wednesday. A nice bounce, kissed our lower target of 133,956. So I ended up placing that here, right there, hit. All right. Fantastic week. Fantastic week. This is what's been going on with USDCAD. It hasn't been able to go further than 1.37899, which was an older target, right? I think it was an older target. Trying to get here. Wait, let me see if there's one above. Should be. Well, did this have one above? Yeah, it did. Which is 157,867. So you guys did good. You traded well. You hit your targets that you wanted. Fantastic week for all of us. Very happy about that. I can do like a recap. Made money on these. Now RTHF was actually, was that on my list? I don't think that was on my list. That wasn't on my list. Let's see. Let's go back and look. Oh, I didn't take a look at. I'm gonna skip ahead. USDCAD. That was a thing went straight through. I was trying to buy, but it was not a buy opportunity there. That was the one that just like totally, straight to stop. I mean, like, I was trying to see if this could bounce, but it's just that area is too thin there, and it had no support and just collapsed. Now it's inside of this crab pattern, and we'll continue down. If you're looking for a good short, USDCAD, that is a great short to get into right now. Right, just inside of that, it's that line. It's inside. So this now has control of the price. I didn't even put a target there. Oh, because I have a lower target. Okay. You can trade here or there, one or the other. I mean, it's a conservative target right now. You can capture a nice good move all the way down. All the way down. That's a good 200 pips, guys. So USDCAD. So I can get some stats on that. Crab pattern is taken over. So we're in that one. And that's the stop. It's perfect. Why is it not moving? JPY. That one was a JPY. That one was, oh, and I was gonna buy. That one's a no, because it's broken the 382. Well, at that 382 is where you would take the short position. That's our rules. Or you either get out of your long or you take a short position. If you were going into a position, right? You would have made 200 pips. That's why you need the course, okay? Because when you see a signal that's going up this way, and then you see that this is, according to the course book, this is broken to 382, or according to the lesson also, broken 382, you don't buy something that's, okay? You buy something that comes back inside 382, you know, or if it's something that's gone down to, say, the 7.5, came back into 618, went to the, okay, or the 618, like it has to cross back into an area. Typically I wait for the 382. That's going to be my path. You know, whether you had it, you know, there.
Are you a trader? Then you'll love Connect One Forex Signals, a leading signal service dedicated to providing the best trading entries and exits for traders. We have the highest reward to risk ratio in the industry, and our pips gain is as high as 1,200 pips in one trade. You don't need to do anything, just set it and forget it. We'll do all the heavy lifting. We also teach how to trade successfully using what we call the RSAI Blueprint strategy. Our strategy is based on harmonics, but we also use them in other ways besides just buying and selling to target. Receive signals, learn new techniques and innovative trading systems to bring you to a new level of training and profitability with Connect One Forex Signals. Sign up for a free trial at connect-1-forex-signals.multiscreensite.com or join our Telegram group at t.me/KOFXS group for group chat.
Or up here, here, okay, you're still it's basically the same situation, falling straight out of there. You know, 382, you can use these for entries for the short position like we did on our other trade. Euro JPY was like that. That was taking a short right out to 382, which was actually positioned here, and got those pips there. Let me show you. So it falls in the same one, the smaller, the big one, 382. And you have this 382 falling here. You would have gotten here. Now, if I had positioned this closer, a little more strict, I'd be at the 382 here. Okay, but I wanted to get outside that cloud. I really wanted to make sure. So I got it here on the larger scale. Okay, this is going to be more, you know, more confirmation when you start from a lower point. Okay. Great tool, man. Great tool to use. Great tool to use. You can get some great trades trading off of that. Trying to see if I can find an example that may have. Let's look at this one. Three, two, and this went down to almost to 618, bounces off. See how this line, this cloud, this crosses back into 382. You can buy this, okay? I mean, a lot of these are doing the same moves. Double top, boom, okay? This went up. What was this? It was over down here. I had it down here. been watching this for that long. It would have to be the highest point. Did a double top inside there, broke out the 285, came down to 382. If you had gotten into the trade, you would have bounced off. And once it got back into the 382, you had to get out the trade. So you would have been out the trade, back into the trade here. Once it passed that 382, okay, and catch this. Catch a nice drop. 144 pips. All right. These tend to, you know, they're going to do that, and then they're going to make their little double top and then come down. You know, if you're trading the double top position, you know, if you're in early enough, on a double top, you know, let's say it did this, boom, came down. I mean, maybe you got it right here below that line. You know, you'd be up 180 pips. Okay. Your AUD, that's the one going sideways on us. It's in that trade twice, gave up, got out of it. You know, I think it was in a short. It was a buy in a short, something like that. And I said, this is going to go sideways, and that's what it's doing. It's doing exactly, I mean, you know, those you can't really trade those, unless you're going to, yeah. I mean, you'd have to really zoom in to trade on something like that. You'd be like this. If we don't do 5-minute trades anyway. But you would have to do something like that when it's really sideways. And its range is smaller. Dropping down, you would reverse this. Highest to low. Highest to the low. And breaks it, stopped out. See how it comes back? You would buy that. This is if you really want to get the trade. I mean, I don't chase them like this, but just give an example. You know, you capture a good 62 pips.
Connect One Forex Signal Services allows traders to take advantage of market trends to grow smaller accounts into larger accounts. No need to rush to capture a 50, 100, or 150 pip signal, because KOFXS signals are between 200 and 1200 pips. Here's how it works. When you look at the signal, it'll have an open price, a stop loss, and a target, with additional information about risk-return ratio, potential pips, and explainer video for the trade. If the trade gets stopped out, you can either wait for it to return to the open price, or you can take a second signal that's going to have an even greater return with the same target price. Our special strategy for calculating price targets is what separates us from other services out there. Take advantage of large trend movements and start on your way to success with KOFXS Group. For more details, visit our website or join our Telegram channel for a free trial.
But I mean, I don't trade the smaller one because the pips are smaller. I like to make at least 100. At least 100 pips. At least 100 pips. I'm not happy if it's not 100 pips. Gotta be 100 pips, man. Sometimes this thing, it has glitches. USDCAD, as I told you guys, it hit. Let's skip down. GBP-CAD. I was trying to do GBP-CAD as a short, but got shaken out of that short. And look at it, continue down as expected. I just let it go, even though I got, you know, I had my stop too tight, and I just let it go. I didn't, you know, see how I did that, and then it's back down here. I mean, it's just, and typically we get stocked out, they're just going to be so volatile. Yeah, see, and then you went through all that, even if you had a stop way up here. Can you imagine? I mean, you would have swung for nothing. Look at this. It would have been back. Maybe we'd be up 10 pips. I mean, it's just not, it's not worth it. If it stops, it stops. You know, okay, so it shook you out. You know, if you caught a crab, yeah, okay. And if you saw the crab, I mean, I wasn't watching this. I just let it go because I was making money in the other trades. You can get 146 pips if you caught the crab right there on the 1 hour. So this isn't strong enough. It ended up filling the crab instead of coming here, going sideways and going up. Because it didn't have that. I saw the buyer seller ratio not favorable for that kind of movement. So you would expect this to just be work for the conventional harmonic trader, you know, the conventional harmonic trade. We also did NASDAQ. I haven't even looked at NASDAQ. I just saw my position closed it. It was up a lot. 30 grand on NASDAQ I made. Oh yeah, I caught that nice short. That nice short. I started here, caught all of this. Whew, sweet. That's why I made a lot. Made a lot of money. Anything over 50,000, man. NZD-CAD. What were we doing? We were shorting this. It pulled back. We were all the way up here, came and pulled back, and then continued down. So I made a nice profit on that. Then the other one was USDCAD. USDCAD closed it. I think I had my stop down or whatever. Had made nice money on it. Closed it. I think it was up here or something. I can't remember where it was. No, matter of fact, I'm sorry. I had switched it to a buy. I'm thinking about something else. I had switched it to a buy because I saw this sitting here and then banked a lot because I saw a buy. It broke out about right here is where I got it. Said it would come up, do a little retest. It did the retest and took off. I got it somewhere in here, I think. Okay. Yeah, so right when it broke out of this, I don't think I saw this, but I saw it breaking out of this. There's the area where I bought this candle here, about right there. Did that little bounce. Once I got it, did a little retest. Perfect. It's just perfect. Came back in here, and now it's in there. I got out here. So that was a nice, great winner. Great winner. Great winner. 150, 48 pips. Yeah, that's it. And USDCAD, waiting for the breakout. Here, got out, got in about here. Well, on this candle. Oh no, it was this candle. Got out right here. It's a great trade. So that's that. All right. So I'll see you guys in the weekend. Great trading. Great trading. So we look forward to next week. We're going to be working. We're going to be watching these trades. We're going to be taking positions and opportunities. We're going to be taking advantage of these. And so I'll see you guys on the next one. And this weekend, I'm going to see if I can get out probably tonight when I have more energy. I got more energy in the night than the daytime. I've become a night owl now. So I will see you at night. I want to see if I can get out a video talking about exotic trades. What I do with exotic trades, my calculations and adjustments and different stuff. They're more risky, but they present more opportunities. So, all right. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Great week. Great job. Very well. KOFXS. We are back. We're headed up to $1 million, $1 million in profit. And that's going to be awesome. So I'll see you guys soon. All right. Take care. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. If this is on YouTube, probably going to put it on YouTube. All right. See you.